The T20 World Cup is finally here. But before the first ball is bowled, everything has changed. Bangladesh is officially out, replaced by Scotland, and Italy is making their historic debut. So, who is actually going to make it and have better chances to win the title? We have ranked every single team, from number 20 all the way to number 1. Let's dive in. At number 20, we have the debutants, Italy. They are being led by the county legend, Wayne Madsen. Expectation: they are the mystery package. No one has seen them play on this stage, which is their biggest weapon. If Wayne Madsen scores, they can shock anyone. At number 19, we have Oman. They are being led by Jatinder Singh. Expectation: they love slow, low pitches. In Asian conditions, they are dangerous, but their batting depth is a major worry against top-tier pace. At number 18, we have Canada. They are being led by the young Dilpreet Bajwa. Expectation: they fought hard to qualify, but facing 150 click bowlers will be a shock. Expect them to fight, but they likely won't make the next round. At number 17, we have the USA. They are being led by Monank Patel. Expectation: the giant killers of 2024. They have beaten Pakistan before, and they fear no one. But can their spinners handle Indian conditions? That is the big question. At number 16, we have the UAE. They are being led by one of the best batters in the world, Mohammad Wasim.
Expectation: it is simple. If Wasim scores big, they win. If he gets out early, the team usually collapses.
They are a one-man army. At number 15, we have Nepal. They are being led by Rohit Paudel. Expectation: the kings of spin. On a turning track, they are a nightmare. If they put 140 on the board, their spinners can defend it against anyone. At number 14, we have Namibia. They are being led by the veteran Gerhard Erasmus. Expectation: the smartest associate team. They have experienced players who know how to win, but their top order often starts too slowly. At number 13, we have the replacements, Scotland. They are being led by Richie Berrington. Expectation: they took Bangladesh's spot, so they have nothing to lose. They play aggressive, fearless cricket. Do not sleep on them. At number 12, we have the Netherlands. They are being led by the tactical genius, Scott Edwards. Expectation: they are the best fielding side here. They don't have power hitters, but they win the small moments and frustrate big teams. At number 11, we have Zimbabwe. They are being led by the superstar, Sikandar Raza. Expectation: Raza is a top 5 all-rounder in the world right now. If he has a good tournament, they make the Super 8, and if not, they would go home early. At number 10, we have Ireland. They are being led by Paul Stirling. Expectation: they have world-class swing bowlers like Josh Little. But on dusting Indian pitches, their batters might struggle to rotate strike. At number 9, we have Afghanistan. They are being led by the spin wizard Rashid Khan. Expectation: in these conditions, they are title contenders. If the pitch turns, they are unplayable. Their only weakness is chasing big totals. At number 8, we have the co-hosts, Sri Lanka. They are being led by Dasan Shanaka. Expectation: they have the home advantage and players like Patharana. But their batting collapses are legendary. Which Sri Lanka will turn up? At number 7, we have the West Indies. They are being led by Shai Hope. Expectation: power, power, power. They don't run singles, they hit sixes. If they click, no ground is big enough to hold them. At number 6, we have Pakistan. They are being led by the new captain, Salman Ali Agha. Expectation: the most unpredictable team on earth. Their pace attack is deadly, but their batting strike rate is often too slow for modern cricket. At number 5, we have South Africa. They're being led by Aiden Markram. Expectation: They have the most destructive batting lineup, with Klaasen and Stubbs, but until they win a knockout game, the chokers tag remains. At number 4, we have New Zealand. They're being led by Mitchell Santner. Expectation, the smartest team in the tournament. They always find a way to reach the semi-finals. Santner is the perfect captain for these conditions.
At number 3, we have England. They're being led by Harry Brook.
Expectation, they bat down to number 10. Their philosophy is to attack from ball 1, a total nightmare for any bowler.
At number 2, we have Australia. They're being led by Mitchell Marsh. Expectation, the current ODI and Test champions. They know how to win trophies. Travis Head and Maxwell are match winners. Never bet against them.
And finally, at number 1, India. They are being led by Surya Kumar Yadav. Expectation, the favourites. They are playing at home. They have Jasprit Bumrah, and they have 1.5 billion fans behind them. Being the defending champions, it is their trophy to lose.